Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create AI talking avatar for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for this website, HeyGen.com. And after you have found this website, you can just open it and you're going to log into this website. Okay, and here you can click on create a video. Okay, and I'm going to select avatar video since we want to create AI talking avatar. And here you can choose the ratio, portrait or landscape. And I'm going to click on create portrait video, right? And here you can select the avatar. I'm going to select the photo of avatar. Wait. Okay, for example, I'm just going to select the professional avatar. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay. Okay, and here you can type in the text you want your avatar talking about. And I'm just going to use this one, guys. And here you can change the language if you want. And then once you're ready, you can click on generate.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script.
Okay, and after that, you just need to go to the generate option right here. I'm sorry, guys. The generate option is covered. And then here you can rename the file. I'm just going to name it AI like this, and then you can select the resolution, and then I'm going to click on submit, and we just need to wait for a moment until the video is created by the AI. Okay guys, and now the video is ready and I'm going to play it to show you the final result.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
And if you want to download the video, you can click on download original video. And the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, that's all the way to create talking AI avatar for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.